In this program, we are going to find the factorial of a number. So first of all, take num as input and typecasting it into int, that is integer, and prompting the user to enter number. So after that, we can initialize the factorial with 1 and run the loop from I in range of, that is starting from 1 inclusive and up till num plus 1. That is, I'm typing num plus 1 because it is exclusive of the last number. So if it is 10, so 10 plus 1 will be 11 and 11 will be exclusive, and the step by default is 1. So the factorial would be fact is equal to fact multiplied by I value would be changing 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the sequence would be this. After calculating, you can print the factorial as here. So saving the program, checking for 5. So 5 into 4 is 20, 20 into 3 is 60, 60 into 2 is 120, and multiplied by 1 doesn't make any difference. So you can optimize your code, but after checking for 0 and negative numbers. So I'm assuming that you have checked for 0 or negative numbers because the factorial of 0 is 1. So you can make here as num and you can exclude the last digit. So what I'm doing is, you can understand here, let us say factorial of 5. So 5 into, or in the earlier case it was 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, and one thing more was there, that is 1 into 1, because factorial was initially 1 and then multiplied by 1, then 2, then 3 and so on. So there are 6 calculations over here. So we have optimized the code and initialized the first thing as factorial as num only. So 5 multiplied by 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and we have also changed, we can also change it from 2. So if we are starting from 2, then no need to multiply it by 1 and change it. So the answer would be same, it doesn't make any difference provided it is not 0 or negative number. So saving it, again checking it, does that make any difference? Let us say 5, that is 120.